all night long. What a start. Great ensemble playing, articulation, dynamics. Drummer for me sped up a little bit and it rocked, but it was a great opening to a good performance. Helter Skelter, this piece for me was the weak point in the programme, in that the ensemble playing wasn't as good as it could have been. The soloist raced off a little bit and it could have been a lot neater. The band accompaniment was very considerate to the soloist, but the soloist was just a bit loud for me and there wasn't enough variation, but overall a great piece. Benedictus, piece I know very well, coming from Penclawdd, Carl Jenkins, and it was arranged by my dad, this particular arrangement. The soloist I thought played very well, very much like the original cello solo. Great playing by the solo cornet and euphonium when they were playing in unison, and the duet, great. The dynamic range when the full band started playing was fantastic. Very loud and powerful, came across very well. Nightingale dances, the start was brilliant. Great ensemble playing by all of the solo cornets who were playing on flugels in this piece. For me, it just went a little bit too quick. You lost a bit of definition within the band, but a great ending to a fabulous programme. To improve, I think these bands need to maybe not play things quite so fast, because you lose some definition. Trying to listen to the everything that's going on, as a listener, you lose definition if things are played too fast. The rhythm section, if they could just keep everything a little tighter and not race ahead, that would help the ensemble. The band that won this evening, for me, from the word go, played fantastically. Great performance, very entertaining programme. Individually, some fantastic playing. Ensemble playing, also incredible. Worthy winners.
The band that won it tonight won, from my point of view, because they had terrific dynamism. They hit the audience straight between the eyes from the very first note. And also, something that's very important, and obviously with some bands you have to do this to make the point, is that they played often without the music. So there's no barrier. So they didn't put up a barrier with the audience. They just went straight at them right from the beginning. And they took the audience and shook it by the throat and said, here we are, listen to this. This is great and we're great. And they maintained that. They maintained it through a programme of great contrast, which showed the band in all different lights.
So Tredegar won tonight because they made me forget that we were part of a competition. They really took me on a journey into their joy of music, and it was almost like being on a great concert.